Here's a poem in unit number 1, activity number 1.5. The poem name is Children Are Going to School. It's a beautiful poem about the children's life. At first, you have to listen carefully, then keep your finger on your word and sentence. Let us read the poem first. We have to read it with the proper pronunciation of the words, proper pronunciation of the sentences. Let's read the poem here. The poem name is Children Are Going to School. Morning light spreads over the earth. Once again the sky bows his head in respect, for children are going to school. The sun, after his morning dip in the river, dressed up in his golden muslin turban, waits and smiles on one side of the road, for children are going to school. Through green tap branches, bridges sing their songs of blessing. Fragrant flowers awaken the sleepy roads with their melodies. At the corner of the lane, the people in his lush deep foliage waves his hands, for children are going to school. Angels of light have set out, every road is agleam. At this hour, every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. Time sitting on an old roof flies pigeons in the sky, for children are going to school. This poem is written by a poet whose name was Nida Fazli. Nida Fazli is a famous poet. She writes this poem. Actually, it is a translation of another poem in Hindi, बच्चे स्कूल जा रहे हैं. It's a Hindi poem, and this poem is translated into English by Niza Fazli. She is an English poet. Niza Fazli describes the situation and condition of the school children which are going to the school at a morning time. Going to school. Let us learn, let us study about the poem. What's the information is given there? Come on. First stanza. Look into the picture. Yes. Poetess. She is a poetess. She says, morning light spreads over the earth. It is a situation of the morning time. That's why poet says that morning light spreads on the earth, over the earth. It means that it's a morning time. The light spread all over the earth. Once again the sky bows his head in respect. Once again. It means that in every morning, sky bows his heads in respect. Just like this, we respect our elders like this. The here sky bows its head for the children. Why? Because children are going to school. Poet says that children are going to school, so the sky bows its head in respect for the children. That's a description of the first stanza. Next stanza, the sun after his morning deep in the river, Look into the picture, look into the stanza, look there. There is a light of morning sun. The poet says that the sun after his morning deep in the river. There is a river near the road, on which road the children are going to school. The poet says that after his morning deep, we dip in our bathroom water. It means that we take a bath in our bathroom. But here, sun take a bath in the river. That's why the poet says that after his morning dip, dip means to dip into the water, to take a bath into the river water. Sun takes a morning bath in the river. It means that sun take a dip into the water. पाण्यामध्ये बुडतोय सूर्य आणि बुडून आंघोळ केल्यावर तो वरती येतोय. मग दॅट्स कॉल पोएट सेज दॅट द सन कमिंग अप आफ्टर द डीप into the water of the river and dress up a golden muslin turban, and after the bath, after the deep into the water, the sun dress up. You also dress up at a morning after a bath. You wear a beautiful dress, your school dress. Here, sun also take a bath into the river and then dress up in his golden muslin turban. Muslin turban, here's a kind of fabric. It's a kind of cloth. त्याप्रमाणे सुती कपडा म्हणतो, बरोबर की नाही? सुती कपडा म्हणतो, रेशमी कपडा म्हणतो. त्याप्रमाणे हिअर्स मजलिन म्हणजे हा प्रकार एक प्रकारचा सुती कपडा आहे, सुती ड्रेस आहे, सुती गणवेश आहे. फॅब्रिक टर्बन मीन्स गणवेश, अंगरखा. हिअर्स सन ड्रेस अप ही द गोल्डन मजलिन टर्बन, सोनेरी रंगाचा अंगरखा या ठिकाणी सूर्य अंगावरती परिधान करतोय. सूर्य सकाळचा कसा आहे, चमकतोय ना. द सन इज शायनिंग लाईक अ गोल्ड. इट्स अ गोल्डन मजलिन टर्बन, सोनेरी रंगाचा अंगाचा परिधान करतो. Waits and smiles on the side of the road. The sun comes on the road. You know that rising sun always coming up, and there's the road. The poet said that the sun coming up the road and smiles and wait for the children on the road because the children are going to school. It means that sun also welcomes the children. Yes. Next stanza. Through the green top branches. Next stanza, look into the picture. There is a tree. Look. Tree has a many more branches. Through the green top branches. Green top. At the top side, there are so many branches for the tree. Through that branches, bridges singing their songs of blessing. You know that there are trees. And tree has many more branches, and you know that the wind also blow from the branches of the tree. Here's the bridges. Bridges means a wind. Flowing wind calls bridges. Bridges sing their songs of blessings. Blessings. You know, the morning wind sing a song of blessings. इट मीन दॅट सकाळचा जो वारा आहे, वाऱ्याचे झुळूक आहे, ते झुळूक सुद्धा या ठिकाणी आशीर्वादाचे गीत या ठिकाणी गाते. कोण? ती सकाळची झुळूक, वाऱ्याची झुळूक. द ब्रिजेस सिंग देअर सॉंग्स ऑफ ब्लेझिंग. फ्रेग्रंट फ्लावर्स अवेकन द स्लीपी रोड ॲट दॅट टाइम. फ्रेग्रंट फ्लावर्स मीन्स सेंटेड फ्लावर्स awaken the sleepy road. You know that at the morning the roads are already asleep. Here the fragrant and scented flowers awaken the roads with their melodies. सुगंधी अशा द्रवाने किंवा वासाने त्या ठिकाणी ते रस्त्यांना ते कोण? फ्रेग्रंट फ्लावर, सुगंधी फुलं जागे करतायत. At the corner of the lane, at that corner of the lane, the people in his lush deep foliage. On the corner of the road, there was the people tree. The people tree has a lush deep foliage. घट्ट असे गच्च अशी पाने असतात. वेव्स हिज हँड, त्या पानं असल्या ज्या फांद्याच्या झाडाच्या कोणत्या पीपल ट्री. द पीपल इन हिज लश डीप फॉलीज waves his hand, waves his hand. We wave our hands. So here tree waves his hands means waves his branches. He waves the branches. It waves the branches for children because children are going to school. And where's the people tree? People tree is at the corner of the lane, at the corner of the road, and the people tree is a lush deep foliage waves his hands, and because for children are going to school. त्या रस्त्याच्या कडेला कोपऱ्यावरती असणारं ते पिंपळाचं झाड आहे, ते सुद्धा आपल्या घट्ट अशा हिरव्यागार अशा पाला असलेल्या फांद्या आहेत, हात आहेत, त्या फांद्याने या ठिकाणी तो हलवतोय आणि त्या ठिकाणी झाडा शाळेत मुलांचं स्वागत करत आहे. नेक्स्ट स्टांजा. Angels of light have set. Come on, next look. Angels of light have set out. Angels of light, प्रकाशाचा दूत काय झालाय? Set out. Every road is agleam. Every road is agleam because the angels of light has come out. प्रकाशाचा दूत या ठिकाणी बाहेर आलेला आहे. काय झाला? उदयास आला आहे, जागा झाला आहे. And every road is green, every road is become bright and shining. At this road, at this hour, every particle of the earth throbs like a mother's heart. At that time, when the angels of light has set out, at that time every road became shiny and bright. So, at this hour, at that time, every particle of the earth, पृथ्वीवरचा प्रत्येक भाग किंवा प्रत्येक कण प्रत्येक वस्तू पृथ्वीत काय झाली? थ्रोप्स लाईक मदर्स हर्ट. यू राईट आवर मदर्स हर्ट ऑलवेज ब्रीथिंग लाईक दिस, ब्रीथिंग फास्टली. मदर्स हर्ट दॅट इज कॉल्ड थ्रोप. या ठिकाणी आईच्या हृदयाप्रमाणे या ठिकाणी पृथ्वीवरचा प्रत्येक भाग धडधडतोय, धडधड करतोय. हो की बघा. ॲट दॅट टाइम सिटिंग ऑन द ओल्ड रूफ फ्लाईज पिजन इन द स्काय. टाइम सिटिंग ऑन अन ओल्ड रूफ. वेळ कुठे आहे? कुठे सिटिंग झाली आहे? सिटिंग ऑन द ओल्ड रूफ, जुन्या छतावरती त्या ठिकाणी विराजमान आहे. वेळ आता जुन्या छतावरती विराजमान आहे. फ्लाईज पिजन इन द स्काय, आणि कबूतरे आकाशामध्ये गिरट्या घेत आहेत, उडत आहेत. फ्लाईज पिजन इन द स्काय. There at the time he is sitting on the old roof, and you know pigeon, these birds are flying in the sky because children are going to school. Pigeons also welcome the children. Okay, time is also sitting on the old roof, means time is stop. Time is stop for the children because time no, the children are going to school. That's why it's sitting on the old roof, and pigeon are welcoming the children because children are going to school.
यानंतर सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांनी फळ्यावरील जे डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स आपल्या क्लासवर्कमध्ये लिहून टाकावे. त्यानंतर कवितेखाली असलेला होमवर्क पूर्ण करून तो सुद्धा व्हॉट्सअपवर टाकावा. अशा प्रकारची सर्वांना सूचना आहे. धन्यवाद.